Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Dappuccino here. This is going to be a Chevrolet Chevelle showcase. And might as well jump right into the content. Uh, what we got on the turntable right now is a 1964 Chevy Chevelle SS that debuted in new models, Hot Wheels new models. But 2012, designed by Brendan Vituski. This is the HW Workshop Muscle Mania 2014 color variation in matte black. It has glossy black flames with a red outline on the hood and sides. Has a black plastic base. Tried to clean the bad boy off, but it's black and it's flat, so lint is attracted to it. 64, as you can see on the base. It has chrome interior. Unfortunately, I don't like the chrome interior. I think that's plastic anyway. Um, Clear windows. Of course, the interior is part of the base too. It's connected with it. 5 SP wheels. The Chevelle was produced from 1963 to 1971. The name is a combination of Chevrolet and Gazelle. This casting is based on a 1964 model that had a 396 V8 and a full barrel carburetor. No headlight, taillight details. This is just a red mainline. Very good casting though. Also has the explodes engine piece, which is a blow, I guess. Next, we have the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle from SS 396. They debuted in 2010, new models, designed by, again, Brendan Vituski. I think he is the head designer for Hot Wheels now, if I remember right. Muscle Mania 2019, dark red, many sponsor logos on sides, chrome plastic base. Tinted smoke windows, black interior, 5 SP wheels. You see the hood bulge and dual exhaust pipes. This is one mean machine. That is pretty nice. This is slept on body style. You see them, but you don't see them as much as you see the ones I'm going to show later on. And it's got all these logos up here. No numbers, so next we have the 69 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. And the body style just evolving, it's just changing. Debuted in 2008, new models designed by Phil Rowman. This is the 2008 new models, color variation in metal flake yellow. Looks gold, but that's that metal flake in it. With black side stripe. It has a chrome plastic base. Tinted gray windows. Look dark green, they look black. Black interior. 5 SP wheels. Long, wide, and packed with a punchy V8. Ironically, or coincidentally, my mother owned a light blue 69 Chevelle SS I don't know if hers was a 396 though. She owned that during the early to mid 70s. My father raced in her car once and she was pissed off. She didn't know. Something happened. Somehow he left his car behind. He had a Chevrolet Impala, but the Chevrolet Impala he had, of course, Chevrolet Impala was heavier. I think he was running a 396 in his car too. The long story of the car, he was supposed to buy the other car. He didn't. He knew the person who had the car. My mother wanted the car. She bought it. And I don't know if he wanted it for himself or whatever, but my mother bought him for his kid. So she ended up selling the car because my dad, he wanted to take it and go hot rodding with it, and she didn't want that to happen to her car. So next we have the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS that debuted in 1999. First editions. Hot Wheels again. All my main lines are Hot Wheels in this video. Designed by Phil Rowman. This is the HW trading card. Supposed to be trading cards. I thought it was trading cards, but it's trading cars. 2008 color variation in flat black. It has red flame tampos. Chrome plastic base. Red interior. 5 SP wheels. The 1970 Chevelle was basically redesigned to have a Coke bottle inspired shape similar to the Dodge Charger, Ford Torino, and Pontiac GTO at that time. That was the main competitors for Chevelle. This casting has been released once a year for 14 years in a row since 2013. I think it stopped in 2013. I made a mistake. So I think it has been out ever since, been released ever since 2008, all the way until until 2013. It was released every year until 2013. I hope that's right. That's the math. Not really. But I think it's just been released 14 years in a row. I don't know if 2013 is the right year when it stopped doing that, but oh well. Next. Okay. Got another, got a variation on the casting. It's related, but not the same casting. This is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS convertible that debuted in HW Classics 2, produced from 2006 to 2014. They discontinued this casting. Designed by Phil Rowman. This is the faster than ever 2010 color variation in metallic gold with black stripes and silver trim. It has a black HW logo and SS emblem. It has a chrome plastic base, which I think they should have used black on that, but oh well. I guess because of the bumpers and the grill. I mean, the bumpers and the grill would probably have to be black. Will probably take away from it a little bit. It has clear windows, black interior, and FTE wheels. This casting shares its base with the 1970 Chevelle hardtop. And another variation on the 1970 Chevelle. This is the 1970 Chevelle SS wagon that debuted in 2008 new models, designed by Phil Rowman again. 2009 new models color variation right here in yellow. The black stripes on the hood. Has silver accents as far as the bumpers and door handles, which is important. And even has the hood pins done. So I think the other one had the hood pins done too, but these are bigger, more detailed. It has a chrome plastic base. Clear windows. Black interior. Sorry. 5 SP wheels. This casting depicts a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle wagon with custom super sport parts. Engine components that can be found in the rear cargo hold. So I guess the mean back here. It's so convoluted back here. I don't even think that's in there. Probably in the early, or even if you take this apart, maybe you'll see it. But I think they're talking about the early, probably, versions. They probably took that out by the time this one came out. This casting is also has a variation where they fill up the windows in the rear back here, and it becomes a sedan delivery casting. Okay, so next, let's go to the premiums now. First up, we got the Greenlight Hollywood 1970. Oh man, trying to get this hood to stay. It don't want to cooperate. So I'm gonna give you a good look at the hood because it's not gonna cooperate. I hope you got to see the engine bay. This is Greenlight Hollywood 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. It doesn't say if it's 396 or 454. Focus. No, it's just saying it's definitely SS, but it's not letting you know if it's three. I think it's a 396 because if it was a 454, you would probably see it up here. It would say 454. But it's from the show Once Upon a Time, Greenlight Hollywood series. I think this is 30. It came out in 2021. I think I watched a couple of episodes of that show, but it wasn't I don't know, it was my cup of tea or something like that. I was more into Supernatural though, so and I was like, this show trying to be like Supernatural, but it's not. This is a cool car though. I had a green one that I could have used too. I think that one was from John Wick, if I'm correct. I think, or not sure, but I have a couple other Chevelles I could have used, but process of elimination. Also had one from Supernatural, a 72, like this one I'm about to show. but they had patina on it. This is a Johnny Lightning though, and it's a 71. This is a Johnny Lightning Muscle Cars USA class of 1971. And this is a SS 454. You know, I don't see 454 on none of the badging. This is supposed to be in Mulsanne metallic blue with a flat black roof and white stripes. It was limited to 770, yeah, 7,754 pieces worldwide. And this is also from 2021. It's a beautiful car. I like that color. I said if I ever get Chevelle, it'll probably be a 72, but it would be either in blue or maybe silver with black stripes. It's a nice color combination. Probably going to do these roofs because they were known to peel. So. And last but not least, what we have from Greenlight Hollywood again. You know, a lot of you who collect green lights probably recognize this car as soon as I put it up here. This is from Greenlight Hollywood Series 33, and this is the 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu from the movie Drive, which came out in 2011. It's matte gray. It's also from 2021. But I think I didn't find this bad boy until 2022. And unfortunately, this is the last body style for the Chevelle till it was discontinued in 1977. Also the same body style used for the El Camino. So, yeah. I haven't seen the movie Drive in a while. I got it on DVD. I got a lot of stuff on DVD. I just don't pull it out. And that's pretty much it. That's it. That's the Chevelle Showcase. The Chevrolet Chevelle SS Showcase. One of my favorite Chevrolet models. Which is sad that they decided to discontinue it in 1977. Cut down on, I guess, to cut down on the lineup. Because I guess they figured we got Nova, which they ended up cutting. They changed pretty much after this came out. I mean, pretty much came to the end. Nova pretty much took some of Chevelle's, I guess, responsibility or whatever they had. Then they had Monte Carlo and they had Impala, of course, which was basically Fleet. So then it became Caprice. Caprice and Impala became a special model. I love Chevrolets. I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down. I don't know. With this content, man, been busy with work and been having some family issues, but and some of my own little medical issues, but trying to make sure I put some content out here. So I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down, like, cause you could be watching anybody else's channel. A lot of channels got better access to better stuff. They got better production values. They got a hookup, man. Doing the best with what I got. So I want to thank y'all for coming by to support. And random viewers, like I always say, this is not the best diecast channel. It's not the worst either. Model here is to show a little love for the diecast. Hope you decide to hit the subscription button, notification button, leave a like, or if you feel like it, leave a dislike behind. Um, I love to get feedback. Please leave your comments and down below. You know where to go. Because feedback sometimes, it's even if it's criticism, man, it's always stuff I can make better about this channel. And it's always refining from you look at my earlier videos, you'll see just how much I have changed up, even with the background, even with what I'm doing now, with the green behind to block out my little displays right here to a certain extent, so you can concentrate on the models at hand. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in. This has been a Chevrolet Chevelle showcase. Peace and blessings.